Good morning. It's such a beautiful day today because it's Thursday and the weekend, so I have some time which I'll be now using to make pancakes. Today I'll be making fluffy blackberry pancakes, and here are all the ingredients that you need. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar, a cup of milk, 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of powder, baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, a sprinkle of vanilla essence. Then you have a box of blackberries, and then 50 grams of butter and an egg. Wash the berries and then put them into the microwave and heat them up into a gooey berry mixture. You might need to mash up the berries yourself at the end to make sure that it's of a consistency that can be mixed into the batter. Similarly, melt your 50 grams of butter in the microwave. You then want to mix all your dry ingredients together, so mix in the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, sugar, and flour. Then break your egg and separate the egg white from the yolk. After beating your egg white and egg yolk separately, add all the wet ingredients together and give them a good mix. Spoon the batter into a greased pan. When you see little bubbles forming, like the one here, you know that's when you need to flip the pancake. Now I'm finally done frying my pancakes, and now I have them stacked up one on top of the other nicely. They're going to be extra fluffy. As you can see, each pancake has a height of around 2.5 centimeters, so that's pretty good. I'm just going to sprinkle some blackberries over the pancakes. Oh, they're falling off. Okay, can you just stay here? And there we have it. We have our fluffy blackcurrant pancakes. Can't wait to try them. This is when I'm supposed to get up, but now we're eating pancakes already. Okay, you can move your fork.